Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to restrict or set amount of time you can spend on website. Once your allotted time has been used up, the sites you have blocked will be inaccessible for the rest of the day using Google Chrome extension. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Google and write stay focused block distracting website, press enter. So this is link, so click on it, and we are going to allow or set time for browsing for website, and then you see add to Chrome, so click on it, and then you see add extension, so again click on it. Now stay focused dashboard open, and then you see some checkbox enable, and then click on continue. Now close this. So we are in dashboard, and then you see multiple option block site, so you can add group or you can add site. Now you see add block site, so click on it. So you can add website name and then click on add block site, and then you see time left by default 10. So after that website will be inaccessible for the rest of the day after this time pass. So you can set maximum time allowed per day. So we are going to set 2 minutes, and then click on save changes. So after 2 minutes website will be blocked for the rest of the day. Now OK, and then you see group detail has been saved. On left side you see active day, so click on it. You see multiple options, so you can enable or disable according to your requirement, and then you see active or, so you can set it, and then you see daily reset time. So we set 2 minutes, so that time will reset when we reach this time. So you can set time for reset according to your requirement, and then you see allowed site. If you want you can add it, and then you see multiple option. Now go to any website and refresh the page. Now on top you see Chrome extension icon, so click on it, and then you see stay focused, pin it. On top you see icon, so click on it, and then you see we have total time for day 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes this website will be blocked for rest of the day. Now you see website name, block this entire site. You see multiple option, so click on block this entire site. Now success, and then you see timer on, so click on it. So after 2 minutes we cannot access this website, so you can set time limit according to your requirement. So you can set 1 or 2 hour according to your requirement, and you can add website in block section according to your requirement. Now you see time remaining. Now you see 4 seconds left time remaining, and then you see block message, and then you see all detail. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.